The world is evolving. New technologies inspire every aspect of our lives. We accompany the transformation journey of the changing world. We design, develop, produce, and move forward without boundaries. We lead the way to move the world forward with our flexible, high-tech production capability and engineering infrastructure. Karsan marks on transportation sector with the strength derived from 55 years of experience. Traveling millions of kilometers across the world with our electric vehicles, we become a part of the city. Moving forward with high-tech vehicles, vision in autonomous and electric products, we are complete with the new members of our electric bus family, IATA series. We meet present and the future with innovative solutions. Now, we bring the future right in front of you.
Dear guests, today we have also our online viewers watching us from their screens, and I would like to salute also our online watchers together with you. Welcome to the launch of the newest member of Karsan's electric product range. I would like to thank you all for being with us today. It's a great honor to be with you today in Hannover for such an exciting event. It was only just a year ago that we launched our 10, 12 and 18 meter IATA family. And as a company with over 55 years of experience, today is yet another historic day for us, for Karsan. Karsan has experienced a great change, especially in the last 4 years. A brand that has set its vision and sight to the future and transformed itself with future technologies. And the transformation continues at full speed. We call this journey Karsan Evolution, and it is symbolized with the letter E. Today is another day that this transformation expands itself with a new mobility solution. Looking back at our journey up until this moment, we launched the initial product of this transformation, first the 6 meter E-Jest, and then the 8 meter E-Attack, one after the other, within only 1 year. Our evolution is a continuous journey of transformation. The first step of this journey is the electrification of our products. The next step is to have autonomous public transportation vehicles. Towards this goal, in the beginning of last year, we introduced autonomous E-Attack, our first electric autonomous vehicle. Autonomous E-Attack is the first full-size level 4 autonomous bus in Europe and North America. Our autonomous E-Attack is currently operating on the Michigan State University campus. And here it carries students, professors, lecturers in actual real-world traffic in their daily lives. This project is the first in the USA. We completed another project in Europe, Norway, Stavanger. For the first time in Europe, Karsan autonomous IATAC started carrying ticketed passengers on a real public transformation line. This is the first and only example in public transportation in Europe. After these, I can also underline that lastly, we launched our 10, 12, and 18-meter electric bus series, IATA family, just a year ago, last year in September. And with this, we completed our electric product range in all sizes as part of this transformation journey that we call evolution. As a result, after all these, Karsan has become the first and only European brand to offer a full range of electric bus sizes from 6 up to 18 meters in public transportation. As Karsan, our main goal is to continue our growth and our position to be the one step ahead position in the European market. Our second goal is to have a presence also in the North American market. Since 2019, we can see this journey also in the numbers. Karsan's electric fleet, vehicle fleet, has been growing year by year. You can see these numbers. We started in 2019 with 66 units and gradually increasing by 30%, 40%. Last year, we have come with a sales volume of 133 units for the year. This year, we will be tripling our sales of last year. So far, we have come to 400 units, and this year we will be adding approximately same number to the fleet, and we're going to double our fleet in this year alone. In just 4 years, we started our journey of electric transformation. We are proud to see our electric vehicles on the roads in 19 different countries, from France to Romania, Portugal to Germany. And this year, in North America, in Canada, we are starting journey with our first 4 units. In fact, 6 units in the next 15 days we will be delivering. And before the end of this year, this is going to go up to around 30 units, I would say. So this journey is starting also in North America, starting from Canada. With Karsan Electric family running on the roads in many European countries, we have gained valuable experience by reaching more than 5 million kilometers driven across Europe public roads. This is a huge experience, and we use this experience in the development of both our existing and also our new vehicles that we are designing for the future. The creator of its class, the 6-meter E-Jest, has been the leader of electric minibus segment in the European market for 2 years in a row. By increasing its market share from 43% in 2020 to over 50% in 2021, E-Jest once again is at the top of its segment. The 18-meter IATAC, our second ambassador, I would say, on the other hand, became the leader in the electric minibus segment in Europe with a 30% share in 2021. I would like to mention the success of IATAC in Luxembourg as a very exemplary role experience of us. Europe's largest fleet of electric minibuses, the numbers are 104 units of IATAC, started operating in Luxembourg as of July of this year, which is a very good experience for us. And we use this as a valuable example that we would like to carry for the future, for the next volumes that we will be delivering to Europe and all the other parts of the world. Although we only launched IATA in September last year, we made a strong entry to the market also with our IATA family. We received orders from Romania for a total of 66 units. We have signed 2 tender agreements with Brașov and Timișoara cities for a total of 56 units of 18 meters IATA. This deal is worth 35 million euros, and it is the Turkey's largest electric vehicle export deal so far. We have delivered the first 22, and the rest will be delivered within the coming months. So we are on track and going to the future with our journey. Karsan is pushing forward with its vision of going one step ahead and becoming a mobility brand recognized globally by the world. With our vision, which is a very important guide for us, for the whole company, for all of us in Karsan family, one step ahead in the future of mobility, Karsan is pioneering the transformation of electric and autonomous vehicles. Our goal is to offer effective mobility solutions by leading adoption of future technologies in public transportation. In other words, we are not the creators of the technology, we know this, but rather we aim to integrate these new technologies existing today and the new technologies that will be coming in the future and offer these technologies in our products for public transportation in the best way to serve for the benefits of the customers in the public transportation area. This is our major strategy, I would say. And today, Karsan is once again demonstrating its pioneering role. We are taking another step towards our vision of one step ahead in the future of mobility. After battery electric and autonomous technology, now, today, we are taking e-mobility to a new dimension by stepping into hydrogen fuel cell electric technology. With the green measures taken against global warming, after battery technology, hydrogen technology will also start to play an important role towards the goal of zero emission in public transportation. Hydrogen fuel cell vehicles are still a new technology in public transportation. Currently, only 2% of the urban bus market in Europe is with hydrogen technology. But hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, like battery electric vehicles, will grow even more in the public transportation market in the coming years. And by 2030, we estimate that it will dominate 15% of the market and reach over 2,000 units per year. This is what we estimate about the hydrogen fuel technology in the bus business. As Karsan, we aim to enter this market and pioneer the hydrogen transformation in urban transportation. And once again, we are taking another step to be one step ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very proud to announce our fuel cell electric vehicle, IATA Hydrogen. So it's really a great honor for us to present and witness this very historic moment for us, which we believe that it's going to bring us very good and valuable future for the Karsan brand. Now, I would like to share the IATA Hydrogen on the road.
It all started with me. I am the excitement that comes with being the first. The first to harness pure infinite energy. I am unprecedented, unique, free. I am revolutionary. Not merely a narrator of nature's story, I am its author. Powerful like the sun, agile like the wind, pure like the pouring rain. I am the essence of nature. With a quiet and deep generosity, I am everywhere in life. I am the future. I am the change. The dawn of a new era. Karsan IATA Hydrogen. Inspired by nature. Over the past 55 years, the future has been evolving into perfection with Karsan, inspired by countless kilometers with our electric and driverless vehicles. The future is right in front of you.
Dear guests, now I would like to give the floor to our Chief Commercial Officer, Mr. Deniz Çetin, to tell us more about the outstanding features of IATA Hydrogen.
Thank you. Dear guests, welcome to the launch event of IATA Hydrogen, where it will take to the future of mobility to a new dimension. Mr. Okanbaş just explained the transformation of Karsan in a nutshell. Well, actually, that was a really fast transformation in such a short period of time. Now, today, I'd like to talk about some of the main features of IATA Hydrogen to introduce you the vehicle. First of all, I'll give some information about its dimensions. It's exactly the same dimensions of its predecessor version of battery electric vehicle. It's just 7 centimeters higher, taller than the electric version. The IATA Hydrogen was designed as born electric vehicle. So being born electric brings a lot of advantages with it. It does not have any predecessor of diesel version of it. So it brings robust infrastructure and it has a lightweight space frame chassis, and also it has really impressive futuristic exterior and interior design. On the other hand, we are using hub motor technology, which is positioned on the wheels that offers an efficient driving experience while providing a large, spacious, and ergonomic interior traveling space. These motors delivers 250 kilowatt of peak power and 22,000 Newton meter of torque, allowing IATA hydrogen to climb even the highest, steepest slopes with ease. Its geometry also helps us to create fully low floor and offers passengers ease of access in the interior area. We equipped our IATA hydrogen with 1,560-liter capacity hydrogen tanks to meet operators' primary need for high range. Hydrogen from the lightweight composite tanks located on the roof is subjected to go under chemical reaction in a state-of-art 70 kilowatt fuel cell, and the resulting electricity gives a life to IATA hydrogen. IATA hydrogen offers range of over 500 kilometers under real driving condition. I'd like to underline this real driving conditions here, because that is on an actual route with a frequent stops, and when the vehicle is full of passengers, IATA hydrogen can provide more than 500 kilometers of range. With such a range, we can say that IATA hydrogen is the most prominent in its class. Operators also demand continuous operation without wasting time on fueling. So the refueling time is only 7 minutes in the IATA 12 hydrogen. So it can operate all day without the need for refueling. IATA hydrogen features also 30 kilowatt hour LTO battery with a long service life as an auxiliary power source. This battery provides additional power to electric motor when the roads are demanding high power, and also additional range for in case of emergencies. Another demand of operators is high passenger capacity. IATA hydrogen is able to offer high passenger capacity thanks to its lightweight body and design as a born electric bus. Depending on the permissible gross vehicle weight and preferred options, IATA hydrogen can easily carry over 95 passengers. This makes IATA hydrogen, again, the best in class in passenger capacity as well. On the other hand, IATA is also extremely flexible in terms of seat layouts. We can offer solutions for different requirements. IATA hydrogen provides a safe travel experience for drivers and passengers, thanks to its following features, such as high pressure resistant tanks, emergency gas release valves, and high precision sensors that can automatically shut down the system in case of emergencies. We designed IATA hydrogen with an emphasis on the comfort of drivers that spend all day behind the wheels. We equipped our vehicle with the latest technologies that make drivers comfortable, as well as increase the driving safety. Drivers can control every detail with VDV compatible driver cockpit. They can obtain consumptions, alerts, and diagnostic information through the digital cluster. Air suspension seats provides all-day comfortable ride, especially on colder days by its heating feature as well. On the other hand, the isolated driver's cabin completely separates the driver's area, allowing more focused driving experience. IATA hydrogen also offers a mirror camera system. We aim to increase safety and prevent accidents with the wide view angle of the system. On the other hand, by using compact cameras, the turning radius of the bus reduced by 6% compared to that of standard mirrors. IATA hydrogen peripheral vision system offers superior safety by minimizing blind spots. The system also reduces risk of accidents and possible injuries with features such as forward collision warning, lane departure warning, pedestrian cyclist collision warning, headway monitoring warning, and some others that I'm not going to go into details here. The IATA hydrogen also uses an environmental friendly air conditioner. The high efficient carbon dioxide air conditioner offers 100% zero emission. It is air purification module also removes up to 99% of the viruses. In short, Born Electric e-Data Hydrogen has best-in-class range over 500 kilometers, best-in-class passenger capacity plus or minus 595, fast refueling in 7 minutes, full low floor in the interior, and many more technological features that takes e-mobility to another dimension. We are happy to be once again one step ahead in the future of mobility with IATA Hydrogen for sustainable transportation, for the smart cities of future with our electric and autonomous product range. From minibuses to articulated buses, we are saying future is here with Karsan.
The future is here. It's not far. It's close enough to touch. Unique enough to reflect yourself. The future is at hand, in the blink of an eye. Rebellious enough to push limits. Pure enough to rejuvenate yourself with every breath. The future is smart enough to know what you crave. Mighty enough to lead technology. The future is not far. The future is the experience inspired by countless kilometers of our electric vehicles, designed specifically for your needs. For the past 50 years, the future has been evolving into perfection with Karsan. And now, it's right in front of you.
Sharing this historical moment with us. Thank you for attending our IATA Hydrogen launch. This is another milestone in Karsan's electric transformation. Now, we invite you to our stand to discover our hydrogen electric and autonomous products. If you wish, you can also experience our 8-meter autonomous, which has been circling driverless out there somewhere out there in this building. And also we have a 12-meter IATA model that you can see, you can ride in it. So now our product geniuses and engineers will be around and in the hydrogen bus, and we will be able to provide more information if you need any questions in detail. Thanks again, and thanks for staying with us. That is the end of our product launch. Thank you.
It all started with me. I am the excitement that comes with being the first. The first to harness pure, infinite energy. I am unprecedented, unique, free. I am revolutionary. Not merely a narrator of nature's story, I am its author. Powerful like the sun, agile like the wind, pure like the pouring rain. I am the essence of nature. With a quiet and deep generosity, I am everywhere in life. I am the future. I am the change. The dawn of a new era. Karsan IATA Hydrogen. Inspired by nature. Over the past 55 years, the future has been evolving into perfection with Karsan. Inspired by countless kilometers with our electric and driverless vehicles. The future is right in front of you.